when you have no one to guide you initially, every guy who comes to sell the machine, every guy who comes to sell chemicals, he's your best friend. So whatever he tells you is the gospel truth. And we start buying into that. So we don't have the advantage of a community to guide us. I didn't have, I'm sure most of us didn't have it here. So at that point in time, you take what is available, you don't see what your load is, what is the business that you're going to generate, what is the nature of business that you're going to get into. You just invest money because you think that is right. और पैसा डुबाने के बाद अक्कल आने में जब स्प्रेडशीट में दिखाता है अपने को 6 महीने में सर ब्रेक इवन हो जाएगा ये मशीन लेने से. इट टुक मी 28 months टू जस्ट ब्रेक इवन. तो 6 महीने से जो 28 महीने का जो गैप है उसके लिए पैसा डालना इज़ अ ह्यूज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. वेयर डू यू फाइंड फंड्स टू डू दैट, हाउ डू यू मैनेज योर मैन पावर, हाउ डू यू आर लर्निंग. मेरे को तो लॉन्ड्री का एल नहीं मालूम था जब मैं घुसा इसमें. You know, so you're learning on the job every day. Our business is highly hyper local, the retail business that I talk about. So it has to, location is the only thing. Your location is very important when you're selling a franchise. If your location is not right, you'll be looking into an open ground waiting for that customer. The most fundamental modernizing aspect of your business is to get a software in place to manage your business. For the first 6-8 months, we didn't have any. We were operating off Excel, trying to manage the load, but goods getting misplaced, garments getting misplaced, interchanging of garments, all those things used to happen. So the moment we got this in, we started tagging. We started knowing what is coming in, what is going out, which fabric is in which stage in the process. And when we started, there was only one player. Today, as you walk around, you can see so many other companies offering that. So modernizing, in my opinion, for any laundry player starts with getting a basic software in place. You know, so that is the first step. Second is, obviously your equipment has to support the nature of the business that you're doing. I don't know the percentages and the ratios, but a lot of us claim to be dry cleaners without doing any dry cleaning, you know. So a part of our modernization plan, whether it is new equipment, second-hand equipment, you need to have those equipments which will empower you, which will make you do a great job, a good job better.